Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, it may seem simple, but it can be a little daunting and a little confusing and nerve-wracking, and just like, why is a CD not loading? Well, here's what you do. First, you eject whatever CD's in there. I mean, you don't have to, but mine's full. Next thing you do is hit load over here. Hit the load button, and it'll say wait. We'll say wait, load, and then you load it. That's how you do it. That's how I just turned it off because I didn't want it to play. But this is a Matthumanpizza video, and that's how you load a CD into your Toyota RAV4. And this is the Toyota RAV4, and it's got all the bells and whistles. All the bells and whistles, and it's got all kinds of stuff. So if you want to, it's got, I think, a 6-disc CD player I had put in. I'm not sure if it's factory, but this is the way to go. You'd rather have like a 30-disc CD player or an MP3 or auxiliary straight from the iPods, the iTouches, and the iPhones, and the Androids and the smartphones and all kinds of stuff, all kinds. But this is Matthumanpizza, and I'm back. I'm making videos on this Toyota RAV4, all kinds of videos, all kind of little tutorials to show how to do stuff, how to work on your car, and just have an all-around good time. Now, the thing to do is don't be a nosy neighbor. Try to find hobbies and things to do for yourself, and try to further yourself besides bothering other people, you know? So that's the thing to do. That's what I've been trying to teach my neighbors for the past decade. I've been trying to teach them that, but they haven't really caught on, and they try to say I do the same. But but the thing is, you gotta just have a life and go out there, you know, get degrees, get certifications, get careers, do all kinds of stuff. Just go out there, make YouTube videos, just be there, and just have a good time. Go to the beach, you know, go places, make money, go places, travel, see the world, go on the rails of trails, or go on the trails, go for a hike, anything, biking, you know, jump on a trampoline, just something. Just get out, and instead of staring at your 30 younger person next door, just go out and do something, you know? Just go enjoy your own time alive instead of bothering Matthumanpizza, because I'm the video maker here. I make my videos, and it's a good time. So let me show you that again. So to eject, you press that one, and it'll eject, and you gotta wait, and then you're like, oh, how it won't go in. Oh my goodness. So you hit load, and it'll say wait, and then load, and that's when you load it. Alright. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day, and remember, just because I'm outside doesn't mean you need to bother me, or I want to talk to you. I'll talk to you if I want to. If you're worth talking to, I'll talk to. Have a great day.